Just a short video going over some of the materials in Chapter 7 module. Then there'll be another short video going over some content related to what's in the work. In addition to those two videos, the module has a very short video, so you can see 2 minutes, highlighting John Stuart Mill's famous harm principle that can help add and embellish upon the reading of Mill from this chapter, and a video from a very recent visit that Germaine Greer, a currently living feminist philosopher, makes a visit to a talk show. It has an interesting discussion on free speech and feminism. Just an interesting carryover from the feminism and women's issues that we covered last week with Hirschman, etc., that can maybe give you a connection to make as well. I thought it would be interesting for you to view it even and use if you can. So this week has a discussion board on Dershowitz, the article. As you can see, I gave you the choice of 2 other options, both of which ask about politically correct ideology and various aspects of how it's used and how people respond to it. So as I say here, though the questions don't directly reference Dershowitz's article, you are required to discuss his article in your post. That is your first post. Your reply post is fine to just engage with in the best way you can what another student has said. There's also a essay quiz, as usual, on Mill. This asks about the tyranny of the majority. I will, in particular, Mill's concern for that. And again, do remember to use the text as well as also come up with your own thinking and examples to go along with your usage of the text. And then the third and final regular Dropbox, that is, you've had 2, one on abortion and one on capital punishment. This chapter is a very good one to draw from to do the third one. So I call it freedom of speech moral issues because I am asking you to pick one of the topics. You can always you can always use aspects of more than one, but at the moral issues aspect is contained in each chapter, and here are the headings on these pages from our text on freedom of speech. So pick one of those sections and respond to the issues and prompts it raises. There aren't so much as asking questions in those sections, but just bringing up things to think about in a normal idea narrative kind of way. So since it's a Dropbox, the requirements to get enough content are that you use something from the rest of the chapter and also use at least one of the articles. So that's 2 different requirements beyond just dealing with the content of the section. And I do recommend Fish's article, Stanley Fish's article. I didn't assign it, but again, ones I did not assign are also very good in this chapter. So if you have a chance to look at them, you can use them. And don't forget the page requirement. This is as a minimum expectation 2 pages, which is roughly about 640 words. So should be hitting that and attempting to go beyond it to go, but that is the minimum expected. Okay, see you in the next video about content, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.